They told you aging meant slowing down, losing your spark, and saying goodbye to intimacy. But they were wrong, dead wrong. Today I'll reveal 4 everyday fruits that can reignite your energy and intimacy, naturally. Stay with me. This could change your life after 60. Red grapes, the flow restorer. Let's start with a fruit hiding in plain sight, red grapes. These aren't just snacks, they're packed with resveratrol, a powerhouse antioxidant. Resveratrol relaxes blood vessels, sending oxygen-rich blood to your heart, brain, and, yes, intimate areas. One patient, a 72-year-old retired teacher, thought his romantic days were over. After adding red grapes daily, he regained erectile strength naturally. For women, improved pelvic circulation means warmth and comfort during intimacy. It's not magic, it's science. Two, cranberries, the kidney guardian. Next up, cranberries. Beyond Thanksgiving, these tart gems protect your kidneys and urinary tract. Toxins and inflammation, cranberries flush them out, restoring comfort and confidence. A 68-year-old veteran with recurring UTIs found relief in cranberry juice. His wife later thanked me. Their rekindled connection was a beautiful side effect. 3. Papaya, the energy awakener. Meet papaya, the sunshine fruit. Rich in enzymes and vitamins, it boosts testosterone and estrogen balance. A retired principal felt alive again after adding papaya to his breakfast. His wife? She noticed too. Papaya's magic? Better blood flow, hormone balance, and energy. For women, it eases dryness. For men, firmer erections. 4. Cherries, the intimacy booster. Finally, cherries. These ruby gems boost nitric oxide, easing blood flow to all the right places. Plus, melatonin in cherries means deeper sleep, key for stress relief and connection. A couple in their late 60s rediscovered passion with nightly cherries. Their secret? Anthocyanins. Not just for pies, for partnerships. 5. How to start today. Start small. Pick one fruit. Grapes with lunch? Cherries at sunset? Consistency is key. In weeks, you might feel warmer hands, deeper sleep, or a spark you thought was gone. Your body's still fighting for you. Nourish it. You deserve to feel alive. Final thoughts, it's not too late. Age doesn't take everything. It gives you wisdom, depth, and time to cherish what matters. These fruits aren't a cure-all. They're a bridge back to you, to love, touch, and joy. If this resonated, comment 1 below. Let's support each other. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Remember, it's not about reversing time. It's about embracing now. Grab that fruit and let's thrive together.